In this video we take a look at the rolled hem. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The rolled hem is a light, narrow hem that's best used on lightweight fabrics. So let's get started. First, using a straight stitch, we stitch a line about 5mm from the edge of our hem. We then fold that over to the wrong side with the stitching line we've just made just visible at the edge, and we press that down. We then go back to the sewing machine, then sew that fold down, going over that stitch line that we just made, keeping as close to it as possible. Next, we cut off the excess fabric at the edge, cutting close to the stitching line, leaving about 2mm of fabric. We then fold it over again towards the wrong side, with the stitching line close to the edge, giving us a hem of 2 to 3mm. We press this down, and we stitch along the hem, going over that last stitch line we just made, trying to keep on top of it as much as possible. Here it is from the right side and the wrong side. And that's how to sew a rolled hem.